Recently, Canva introduced lots of new tool Magic Studio. Simply go to canva.com/slash magic, so you will see all of this, all the power of AI all in one place. Magic Studio brings together the best AI power tool for you and your team right inside. So there's a lot of tools to redefine, to visualize your idea with Magic Design, transform your content, Magic Switch, turn idea into image and video with Magic Media, and other edit visual. So you can expand. You can expand your image in large size. Here you can simply check out demo Magic Grab. You can grab your image. You can remove the some color, any other item for you from your image. Magic Eraser, background remover, Magic Morph, and Magic Write, and a lot of other AI tool is available. A third-party tool, Canva integrated, you can use. So here you can see this tool is from Google. Turn your text into photo AI images. So simply give them a command in Canva and they will generate some images for you. Okay, so next one is DALL-E. This is by OpenAI. Just simply give them a command, they will create a complete photo for you. Here is a demo, you can check out how it works. Just simply give them a command. And another one is Mojo AI art. So they will create AI art, QR art generator. They will create art in QR. Yes, so this is also amazing tool Mojo AI. Maybe you already use it, but they introduce in Canva. DID AI presentation. So here is a lot of models available and voiceover voices. You can use any face and you can create them. So next one is Morph AI. Add voiceover to your project. So simply there is a lot of uh, voice available from Morph AI. You can use voiceover. And next is, so let's check out every single one. So let's try it out how it's work. So first one is Magic Switch. So let's try Magic Switch how it's work. Transform, translate, reformat. From Magic Switch you can do three things. It is a demo available. Let's check out how it works. Magic Switch. So here you can see here is a demo given by Canva. So let's try it. So you can translate this. Translate. You can transform into dogs, and you can resize this. You can resize in a different. So you can transform into dog, summarize, here alt text, email, song lyrics, poem, blog post. So let's translate it. So let's translate this project in Arabic. So just select it and now click on. So you don't need to do anything, but in just few clicks, this art and will automatically convert in other language. So let's check out it. So here you can see in just few seconds they they translated in other language. You can retranslate this in other language if you want. So here you can see it's completely. Here you can see one design is in English and second one is in Arabic. In just few seconds they translated. This is amazing tool, so you can try it. And next one is turn idea into images and video with, so text to video. You just simply need to type the text and they will generate a completer. So sorry, a video is not available for my account or for my country, but you can try this. So images is available, so you can try this, but it's not completely available. So next one is Magic Extend. So Magic Extend is a you can adjust your image. You want full image, you can resize your image in different format, different sizes, expand and crop magic smart crop. So you can click on smart crop, they will automatically detect and they will crop your image. And next one is, so let's try a next one. So next one is, so so next one is magic eraser. So let's try it, magic eraser, how magic eraser work. Okay, so here you can see a lot of other tools, so let's try it out. Magic eraser, so here is a demo image given by Canva. So you can brush size, so you can select the element from here. You can see I am selecting the element from my element, and they will remove this from my image. Here you can see in just few seconds they deleted this element, flower element from my image. Here you can see it's look like premium, amazing. So let's try it another one. Okay, so let's also try to remove this one. How? So you can use any image if you want to remove, make you have a photo and you want to remove something from your background, so you can uh, easily remove them. Here you can see it looks amazing and premium. Here you can see I just selected and they just remove it in just few seconds. Here you can see it's remove them. So you can uh, deeply use this tool and you can uh, make your image good. So here you can see how it's work. And now background remover. So if you want to remove from your background, you can change your background. So let's try it. I think you know what is background remover, so let's try it. Magic mode. So this, here you can see this is a demo. Here you can see a star, a white color star. So simply you can they will magic mode will design some. So magic mode will design some images, so you can adjust on here and you can use it. So I hope you understand how it's works. So you can use on your image, you can just simply type the text and they will generate in different style. So next one is magic write. So magic write is a amazing tool. You can give them a text and they will write a complete article or something. So what Magic Studio can do for you? So there is a lot of other tools available. You can try a Magic Write. Select the text box on the right, click Magic Write, click Rewrite. So they will write. They will they will do anything like OpenAI. They will write. A, you can just give simply give them a command and they will rewrite for you. So I hope this tutorial helpful for you, how Magic Studio new tools helpful for you to use them. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. If you want Canva Pro, a link in description. Just go and